What's up, guys? I'm Dr. Sandy here. So today we're gonna react to a video of SML short. Jeffy has hiccups. Let's do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you
want? What the heck?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the
Why
toilet
is
seat.
Jeffy just got hiccups?
You have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath?
Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath.
Jeffy, act like a chicken.
Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh no!
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that
Rest
died
in
because
peace,
his dad
Jeffy.
forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen! That can't happen! Jeffy, come on! CPR.
Call the comments.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy!
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say them. They're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
Alright, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
What the heck, Jeffy?
He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Oh, so
How do you get rid
you
of
hit
hiccups?
him
Well, first I'm
again?
gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Let me really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boo! Yeah, that didn't work. Alright, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boo! Yeah, no, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boo! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay. So
Alright.
what's stage 2?
Alright, well, stage 2 is basically boo!
What's that, Hick?
Alright, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Boo!
Yeah,
still
stay.
nothing. Alright.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boo! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What? A skelly mask.
What?
Alright, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
Alright, on to stage 3.
Alright, come on, Jeffy.
Alright, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon.
What the heck?
Soggy
Good one,
cookies for dinner
guy.
again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Ugly!
Where's my
We're in the
kids when you
cereal!
got? Don't make me get the mask. Boo!
Another mask again.
Did that work? Alright, on to stage 4. Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my goggles. Boo!
Oh, another mask
I'm gonna get him
again?
eventually.
Huh?
Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2,
Crossbow.
1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Bye.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
The hole in my wall.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here!
Oh, not the bomb, no!
And if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose a wire, Jeffy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that
Come
one.
on, Jeffy, you make it.
What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting
he's
the
jumping
ground
on
and
that.
dying is
I'm
gonna
jumping in
get
the
rid of his hiccups.
airplane.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left-hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, down you go.
Wow.
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Thompson.
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright, how much I owe you?
$7.72.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. What? Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it, and I drank my drink. But what
Oh,
are we
he
gonna
forgot
do?
his
You have your
wallet.
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Well, on next time,
we tried
Brooklyn
all 7
guy.
stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for BOOM! Alright. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Oh god, that's a bug.
Fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly.
I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's
Wow.
gonna eat my face.
Wait,
That
Jeffy,
flash just scares the
I think his hiccups
crap
are
out of
gone.
me.
Really?
Yeah!
What, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
I don't think so.
What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh no, no, please don't tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. BOOM!
Alright, SML question. How would you scare someone if you had to maybe I scare up those ghosts of the Halloween. Alright, so that's it. Chill out, guys. And the wows of the hiccup style. Bye.
Drift away.